Message to Papa Uwaila and Shine. Mama Uwaila na victim. That little princess Diamond Shine pikin na victim too. To this story, this kind matter wey be say e just dey pep me low for social media. Now I carry come today say I wan shook my mouth put my opinion. Now I wan talk because I don listen to this, I don listen to this. Wetin me see for inside this matter? Now I carry come. So before you judge my opinion, make you listen from the beginning to the end, and you get right to still put your opinion for the comment section because everybody get right to his own opinion.
With Lady
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. This is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, na tori now we dey talk and a pidgin English will take the nakawa tori for yeah. So today we want to talk about this Papa Uwaila, Mama Uwaila, Shine, Frances. Me and no cut tongue. Now the matter that was so one shook our mouth puts because this matter I don't they go everybody don't bring out so many opinions come out for this matter and they very good. This matter I will go straight to the point because it go long because I really get a lot of talk to talk, so I will just go straight to the point. The way me see this matter, Papa Uwaila na somebody when be say their name they ring bell. I don't feel they hear Papa Uwaila for musician mouth. Though I never see the one-on-one, never talk to them one so, but I don't already they hear Mama Uwaila, Papa Uwaila. Na Italy they were not their standard. So there be kind of popular couples when be say most people when they for Obodo Oyibo really know them. As far as say you come from Edo State, you will know them. So for Shine side, na actress, na Edo actress. One of the actress when be say she still dey try, she dey speak and she dey very social, you understand. So Papa Uwaila, he go dey look Shine for television every time. Now as me take see and let me dey talk so before now I come say you dey there. Papa Uwaila, he go dey look television every time, he go dey watch Edo movie. He go dey see Shine, he come dey like Shine. Because why they like Shine? Now Shine now the type of woman where they like. Because if you look in wife Mama Uwaila, she and Shine they want be like kind of the same because they get the same height, almost the same height, and then yellow. Papa Uwaila they like yellow pop. You understand? So it cause all fell in love with Shine for television. But I'm not gonna know as he can't take go house where both of them can't take me to baby no dey my armpits. I don't know that one. Now so he can't take meet Shine, give the torchlight Shine. So married man when be say you want date a lady of 32 or 30 upwards. That lady, what does she need? Now to settle down. She don't need another thing. What does she just dey think of? Now how to settle down. So any married man when don't they date a lady above 30, make you just know say now settle down. So men go come out for Obodo Oyibo, don't say that they go Nigeria. If they reach there, then they carry 99% of men that they carry, but some that they chop, they clean mouth, that they do one night stand. Some that they use raincoats, you understand? And once they don't come back to Europe, the number when they give that girl, you know they work again. Because if the girl they try to call the number, it will say the black man you are trying to call is with his wife, so don't call the number again. And so most of them they do, you understand? But Papa Uwaila not do like that. He dated this lady for 2 years plus. 2 years plus, he don't give this lady hope. Say he go marry her. I don't know whether give her hope, and so the lady talk because before a man date 30-something years of 2 years plus, they carry the waka everywhere, every party. They even they carry come your whole family house. She go they cook for family, they cook for friends. She don't already believe all her mind that she is going to be a second wife. She accepted it. And at the end, then Papa Uwaila say okra when he plants, he don't grow. Papa Uwaila say that okra, he go remove her because he not ready for that one. He not ready. So he try best to make sure say she remove her because at the same thing when both of them talk, the lady say he not tell her say make it born for her. And he says he to say he no say make she born for her, make it remove her. So now the same thing they talk for them. But the lady say her age don't go far. Not be this kind of age she'll come the one remove okra because she don't know how many she gets. And the okra self, if I say she don't find out before, she not see. So Papa Wella tell her, say, as it can't be so, you are your own. Because me, I not go buy pampers, I not go take care. Now so Papa Wella takes off recommot. The matter really raised for social media years ago. Many people shook my put for the matter at that time. Maybe me for shook my put because me never enter social media at that time, you know. So we not hear about them again. Everything just off. Not until when another katakata come out for social media, shine come here say Papa Wella again. Now shine come out. He say wetin Papa Wella do? He never see anything. No. Now so he carry breast. He begin to swear for the person when you born your pikin for. I know say it's not easy to take care of pikin for Nigeria because you know they get any support from anywhere. But you to come dey swear for your baby father for the presence of your baby, that is very bad. You need to return that course, and if you want to return that course, shine. You need to come to social media where you focus that course and return that course. Because you born for there. Cause they from front enter house, they from backyard, they come out. Now parable now I tell you so. So see come public, come return that course because you don't already born for there. Now in blood, now you carry. No matter what, you don't need to curse him. Leave everything like that. Maybe tomorrow you can decide or change to help that your daughter. It could be like say thereafter when it be say the pikin don't they grow or the pregnancy still there, and not you just talk that one. She can't go meet the family. Say this belle or this pikin because it not clarify that place. I beg, the father need to take care of his pikin. She can't tell say the family can't tell and say, Mona listen to what she talk.
For you on this social media platform because since your family no fit talk to you, I go meet your family say make I go beg you Wella. Wow, go beg full woman like myself. Now she give me belle. Is she the father of my child? Why would I go and beg a woman like myself? Now Obiakpo, where I see top pass. Me I see I not talk. Now your wife now Obiakpo, short bamboo. I see top pass. So go beg her. Who the hell is she? I will not beg her since you don't know access from her family. Now I go welfare. As I go welfare, you disrespect welfare. Because of my husband, I don't respect my husband since I not come out for social media. I not react to you again. But the thing, since you not going to use your head, you not going to use your mind.
Okay, you hear that place? If I say for Jordan video when she first make the first video when she make, she say Papa Wella tell her to beg Mama Wella. And the family, I don't know that mistake for that one, no. But for this one, it said now the family. But the first video when she first make, I think she say Papa Wella say make she go beg Mama Wella. And this one she say the family say make she go beg Mama Wella. Before they tell her to go and beg Mama Wella, I believe say they don't talk this matter for inside house. They don't call Mama Wella, tell her, says, as this matter can't be so. I beg, if this lady call you, or may we make peace, or see the way we want, may we make peace, Mama Wella will say, okay. Mona tell her, may she call me. But because she's so proud, she is full of herself. You see the kind of word when she use for Mama Wella. She dey compare herself to Mama Wella. My dear Shine, you and Mama Wella, you are not the same. Mama Wella is very different from you because Mama Wella sow and she will reap. She plants, she will harvest. She suffer, she will enjoy. You did not sow from anywhere. You cannot compare yourself with Mama Wella because Mama Wella picked Papa Wella from the scratch. If Papa Wella na wheelbarrow pusher, Papa Wella na truck pusher, will you accept him? You have every opportunity to choose or make your choice. Men full that Edo State. There are so many great men in that Edo State. They just need somebody that will stand them. There are so many hard-working men there. You can pick one, or you could have picked one and raise him from the scratch. You don't need to compare yourself with Mama Wella because Mama Wella don't sow. You did not sow. Supposing you pick one man from the scratch for Nigeria, una start from the beginning. I don't think say you can't land inside this kind of matter where you can't be say you can't concern person husband. I'm not trying to mock you here, but now the word when you use comparing yourself with Mama Wella, you don't have that right. Now what you for do that time before family say call Mama Wella, they don't already beg, they don't settle this matter. It's for you to call because you are the stranger that came in and the woman want to accept you. Then you say no because you are full of yourself. So as you not come Mama Wella, Papa Wella not send you. That's why you say he not send you rich like that. Because Mama Wella will never allow him to go and see that baby. Mama Wella will not allow him to even give that baby money. Because give her money, go see your pikin. Before you know anything they happen, he don't born another one, he don't born second one, he don't born third one. The next thing, how now want to push Mama Wella put for corner. Now many women don't make this mistake. They'll say, now your pikin, go see her now, take care of her. Before you know, you must don't born 4 children for her. Before you know it, the happen, the woman where they have now will come there outside. So she no one take that chances. As far as you know do the right thing at that time. So not blame anybody for that. That beg, when they say me you beg Mama Wella, you refuse, you call her names. But now the same thing you do, I go come play the records. You don't do the thing, I go come play the record. But before I play the record, I want to let you know because you know say una way dey Nigeria, una no know how it they play for Europe yet. Once man don't marry for Obodo Oyibo, the man and the wife they work for one pocket. If they don't work from one pocket, the man no fit do anything for Africa. The man no fit do anything. They have to work for one pocket. Women wey dey Obodo Oyibo, they use all body, they support their husbands. Even if say na the man dey work, he go tell you say, hey, my wife no dey work, na me dey work. Who tell you say the woman no dey support the husband? Let me use my own self to make example for you. I no dey work, na my husband dey work. I dey take care of children. But I dey support my husband, I dey support the family. Not with money, but with my leg. My leg. If they say na here, I dey go there go take. If they say na here, I dey go there go take. So times when my husband go come, he go see milk for house. He go say, mommy, where you for see all this milk? I go say, daddy, they just say that place will come take milk. He go say, you don't check out whether he expire. I'll say, no, he no expire. You understand? I dey support with my leg. Then tomorrow they'll come tell me say, hey, you know they work. You know work for how many years? I supported him because that money of milk, it don't come out for a pocket. The state wey me dey for year, that they pay children feeding money and €100 a month. But you have chances of not paying that money if you can go and carry your children from school. Well, as I say now, only my husband they work and not they work. My children know they eat for school. I they go carry them. So when you boss it, they do too. I they go carry them, go eat for house. I go drop them. Imagine me in the morning, I'll get up early in the morning after I don't clean, do what I want to. Ready children go school. Drop them around 8:30. Then 11:30, I'll first carry one. We go use 40 minutes, stay wait for the rest. May all those ones still take their own break. Then I'll go carry them together, go house. I don't already cook before I go carry them, give them food. Then 1:something or 1:40, I will go drop them back for school. It never even reach 2 hours again, 3:30, I go back. And they go carry the come house. All those ones are the sacrifice where they do, me, my husband. Because if the children feeding money come out from my husband's salary, he go fit save €50 a month. He go fit save money a month. And they sacrifice all those ones up and down. That's why they jump up and down. They go carry children come house, come eat. If I don't see carry children come house, I go use my leg waka carry tasks. Where I know say I'll fit get this, I'll fit get that. That will not be work. So women for Obodo Oyibo, don't want we know they support husbands. Because once you know they do one, even though say you not bring money, but you they have, you they support your husband. Because there are so many things where you for use money to do, but being and say you don't do there, now you go they do the thing. Because the salary, you know, come put out for your pocket. because una know say this country where we dey, so I don't know about the rest country. I know they wait say months go ahead, say government wan come put 1,000 for my account or put 500 for my account. Chiko, I know they expect from anywhere from government. So I try to know what I fit do to respam you. They call it respam you. Yeah, that is to fit see how we'll take fit save a little thing. Then tomorrow now my husband will come go Africa. Then one woman will come say, all these years you don't work, that husband they work, you come call a big husband for my hands. That Mama Wala when they say, who be Mama Wala? If she tell you sacrifice when she make for Papa Wala to the reign today, you think say easy? Behind every successful man, there is always a woman. Which support you don't support man. So I just use myself to make example for you. So Mama Wala home, me I don't know, I not there with them, but I know say she don't sacrifice. You understand? So you don't know, that make you dey talk am. Because that woman, you need to respect her. But I thank God, you can't do the right thing at the end. Wetin they say make you do that time when you dey feel big, say you no go do. But when social media presidents call you, shey you do am. Now wetin you for don do tey. Una for no dey drag una sef now. When I listen, when social media presidents call am.
Emina ogabe move you where? Ona ya set you where? Ben we be tie where? To we no do me wo mo. No money where? Era we na hina. Oh yeah, where? This is my father. Oh yeah, I let you on. Oh wagwalo, abi ogwalo. So maybe you got time to log it. Oga wana we offend here. Eruwe no pa. Me ma na we be la live video. Ni me yo eruwe la ti e bonu we. Oga ti e bonu we mo ti e bona. Oga ti e bonu we that means orume finu ke because me no da rume we. Dey kele we no rume. Ye ge finu ku we. Oya we wo. Eno ewu do we o kele nyamo. Ota magbon we o nyamo be no ko ntanwa. Then also I take responsibility of here. I went up back and only I'm your own web here. Oh no, I'm web we are day. There will be a very way. And you will like a white bow, I don't want it. I get white bow. So I will win ya. I will win ya. Anything we are offended. Where I don't in there. Now we go to Nickel Nita. They go where every. I will tell the line up. We are Madame Yowe. If I know, Madame Yowe. Anything at a shine yet Italo. No, that we are done about Guawe, we know it. But a no gay. Benoya Gua. Benoya Finugo, oh, human, where Biene. But we feel at the wedding, I know. Neti Italo, no one time I hear where. Anything really offend you where. But a live video now, or a live video, or my live video. Every measure you talk. Every come on. Yes, I'm on okay. Now, many show more. You don't let the deny in your way. Or running in the way. Oh, yeah, we are here or more. You know what you don't know is not what in my way. You don't play your family up with them without the other day. Boy, I'm away or money me. Now, what way when I want to Instagram? You now who shall live way. Shall live way or more. That way, Obona is taking away. Okay. While we see when I have social media where or so nowhere, we don't work for your person in your way. Mudula go, Muja way. That left way, who don't want to be anyway. That left way, who they taking when no way, no way, the Mukia on your way. That left way. That left way, and you are the new mother, you don't know why. Japone. Wesi Mabere Rugwala Orela na myawe to bobebe inya so we no mona inya we na Rugwala isu gwala be inya we owo bo nu ya gberu wala nu ya mu ewu e nu be ya mu ye be atoni bai o be atoni bai ma abi ju wala we obo no ya mu ye no ya mu we ode we toni bai nu we mi ya nu mi ju wala be ya tabai tabai ilke we mwese oto mi ti we gomino hello owa woni e ba nu we na we mi ya pe no gba mo ta mu we na go wa no wrong e dia ya we mi a be force ma tona iyeru iju wala obonu ya mu we ya mu me iye gi o do ni nu do mo ni me na yin na nu do mo na ri oja ni me na nu do me na ri o la wo de be offend we gwi ika me chane iwe ni tefinu ge e body second wa ye bi me opa wa ya because e bi lu wa la obi gwa me no obi gwa la no obi la ya ba gba hin man ni tana so gwa mi ju gwa la we yo ma forget yeah
iju wala one faster than okay kakabota lewe imai we buto to papa no la ko abere mi de we obekere wala la we ya tore te we ya te we te ya we before akere de get to the to media we te de ya we to papa no ini ajala no ya malete ula wo ge no tu no medical ora ubi pe o bele ni ajanya la go to no oba to no we you go because they ti ala e take the way ike to keep the way ula wo ya bore nu yo go ko ya le we e balole o ya le ya feedback you because then ya uni ile o ya le ya feedback so ula wo ya le we nu yo go ye ota ko we yiki o mo ni tiene no ya de la ibe la wo she iju wa la won pa taga o ya le we
West Osalobo no de bawe where drop where I ma odon mi ato bi megumere imi we imi eru wala imi wa ya fe na kugbere family ni me ma oneru enieru wala igare social media ke na pa ima ha de ni your social media.
Okay my people, shey una hear where she for beg Papa Wala and beg Mama Wala. This na the thing wey be say she for just do for that first time when the family or Papa Wala tell am say beg Mama Wala. Because they don't now you go meet the family, they don't tell you what you go do, but because of pride you not do it. But I thank God say our social media presidents call you can't respect her and you do the right thing to do, because now you come into that family. Although now the man use the leg they find you go, but anyhow it be now woman 9 days at the house. So as you beg, so I pray may Mama Wala and Papa Wala may they accept your apology, and Papa Wala and Mama Wala mona forgive her because of that little diamond. Papa Wala say in dey help people, in be philanthropy, abia dey talk am not cut by tongue. But your whole daughter dey you need to help your daughter. If you feel they help outside people, why you not go help your daughter? So mona support that little girl, because that girl na victim. The time when you and Shine, they jugu for whether na on a house or whether na hotel or anywhere, wanna for the jam on herself. They make sure no they do all the things wanna do. This small pikin not invite you now. Now invite and come. This small pikin don't come life. Not be your fault. So mona take responsibility of that small pikin. Mama Wala na woman, now you be. And I just pray, may God just give you that strength to feel know how you handle this issue, so that may not consider affect you later, because road when person don't fair pass to pass her again very easy. Because as I dey hear now, I know say Shine don marry. She says she's happily married, but na distance marriage. I don't know that na true to be no dey my armpit. That's why I hear and say na distance marriage. So Mama Wella, you have to be very, very careful. But wanna take care of that small pikin. Topic na big lesson to people, especially men. When we say una go see actress for television, una no know say that television na make dem dey shine like this. If una see dem for ground, they no dey shine as they dey shine for television. See say na so they all fine for ground, una go dey run dey pursue dem. Even me when I dey do hook up, some men don call me, you get also actress number, you get also actress. Now so wetin dey use actress number dey do? Because he say wan go Nigeria, make e just use am take dey for the main time before he go. More na dey leave actress alone, more na dey leave them alone, because all these actress people, they be popular figure. More na dey notice how anybody wey actress don bring come and say this one na my boyfriend or my husband, if they quarrel say they share garri, na okpari for that actress o to see another man again or another boyfriend, e dey hard. When I look all their life now, I be made the name there for Nollywood actress. How many don't bring boyfriend come and will be say no man gree carry again? All the ones where they corner to solve the orange and throw away the pea. So before you come into actress life, a public figure life, you know say you ready. Because if you not ready, you don't damage that person career. Be that the story will change, because anything when don't enter social media almost to be gone. No matter how it be, even though say it's straight, it must bend. Because now social media is hater. Everybody with different opinion. As the opinion they come now, so they big up, the matter will come wide. You can be like saying shame and disgrace to that actress. So now when they run after actress, learn from this Papu Wella mistake. Now big mistake now he do so. Because he say you no one married to wife. As you no one married to wife, you will stick to your wife. Because any girl come your life, you go want stay. You understand? They say be careful giver. When they don't they count money, they give up. Then you go want enter inside now. You go want enter. So wanna learn from Papa Wella mistake. And now when be actress, when be saying now they use I say akate. If akate don't come, so now they carry on a bomb body, they shake body, they want entice them. Now that's how now go wear mini skirt. They do like so now they find what to now not put for grants. Look now they listing. 99% of akate wey come Nigeria for visit, they get wife or baby mama for year wey don sacrifice a lot for them. So before na shook una head put for any marriage or any man, any akate wey e come, una ask information, because shine no fit talk say e no know say Papu Wella marry, because Papu Wella name dey ring bell. So una investigate well. There's not so many they lie. If man can't tell you say my wife is so good, is sweet, na angel, na this, you don't go open for her now. So it must lie for her to enter. So mona dey open her actress, so mona dey open her hair, because una no say if una don't carry, especially una can't bring her come out for public. Now carry for now. Mona learn from this shine mistake. Now here I will leave this my matter for you. Now my opinion. Now I talk so. So I beg una, if you listen, may you still drop your opinion. Dante, your opinion is very, very important. Any word when I talk, we are not talk way. I beg, Mona throw away the word. Mona take me enter house. That's why I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl, I'm your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Children's Bright Life with Lady T. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save a lot of people. You are going to save a lot of marriages. May they learn from this their story. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please use this opportunity to hit the red button. Click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video for here. Thank you and God bless you. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.